Hey, hope you're all doing well in quarantine. Today I am going to show you how to make a really fast and tasty recipe, prawn rolls using... Also, I have to apologize, the quality is not great because I shot it on my iPhone, but I just wanted to get it up as soon as possible. In a bowl, add half an inch of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of lard and half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and just add a little white pepper at the end and mix with your prawns. Soak your rice paper sheets in cold tap water with a few drops of oil and just leave them for a few minutes. Then spray 2 plates with non-stick oil spray, and that's just to make sure that the rice paper doesn't stick to the plates. Place one of the soft sheets of rice paper on the plate and then add 3 or 4 prawns per roll. Then roll them up like a burrito. Spray with a water spray and then microwave them for 2 to 3 minutes until they're done, and they'll become pink when the prawns are cooked. Let the rolls cool for a minute or 2 and then drizzle with soy sauce. And that's it, the very fastest version of prawn rolls.